Hi friends, so I'm back with my new video, and in today's video we'll be learning that what are things we need to make so that we can make our code compatible with Docker image. So friends, the very first thing we need to do is we need to create this Docker file inside your root directory, and then the very next thing which you need to do is you need to define the version which you want to use for creating a Docker image. So in my case, what I have done is there are two ways. Either I can write the version name. So once you put the latest version, what Docker will do is Docker will check that what is the latest version which is running for Docker. So it will select that and it will use for the compilation. The very next thing which you need to do is, in case you want to define any environment variable like port, path or any other thing, then you can use this env and you can define the key values. The next thing which you need to do is that while coding, likely possible that you would be using various packages so that you can run or you can write your code. So all those packages are considered as a dependencies. So what you need to do is you need to add all the dependencies under this section so that Golang can understand, Docker can understand while compiling the whole or creating the whole image, that these are the list of packages which need to install first. Next thing is that in case you have any other client side code which you want to install, then you can put it here itself. But right now, just to avoid the complexity, we can skip this. Now the next thing is that you need to put the directory name. So here in the comment section, it's mentioned that build and install the server side application code. So friends, this work directory will be created and here the image will be copied. And the very next thing is that you need to perform go get a dependency. This it will do is it will install all the dependencies which are mentioned in your required section of go mod file. The next is that you need to install all those dependency in your system. So go install will help to install all the dependencies. The very next and last thing which you need to do is you need to perform CMD. So whenever you mention anything as CMD, then system will understand that as a command they need to execute. It's a console command. So here you need to mention your file name. So once the build is created, it will be marked as main. So friends, here I already created a build. It is showing as main. You need to put that under the CMD section and perform the run. So once you will execute this CMD file, your build will start. So friend, these are the list of some of the information you need to provide as a part of Docker file so that you can, whatever the code you are mentioning, you can generate your Docker image. And friends, there are a lot of complexity involved. So as and when your code base and your use case will increase, it is very likely possible that your Docker file complexity will also be increasing. But for the initial testing and POC purpose, you can put these basic information and system will definitely create your Docker image. So friends, if you like my video, please click on the like button. And in case you want me to cover some specific topic in detail, then please put it on a comment section so that I can prepare my next video on that. Thank you friends.